Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the new Lego set Horizon Zero Dawn Tallneck. Really excited to be building this today. It's actually selling out very fast everywhere, so I was actually lucky to get hold of it. So let's begin without further ado. Here's the box. So we have the Tallneck, which comes with an Aloy figure and a minifigure of the Red Eye Watcher, I think. Again, this is 18 plus, age-wise, 1,222 pieces. Back of the box, we can see that the finished model will be 34 centimeters tall, 21 centimeters in diameter. So let's get going. Eight bags. Let's take a look at the instructions. Oh, this is pretty cool. We have some information on Horizon Zero Dawn. There's the designer, Isaac Snyder. And here's what it should look like when we've built it. Very excited to build this. So let's get going. so here's the final model. It was a bit tricky in some places, especially some of the decals are a bit difficult to put on. You can see here where I've had to peel it off and put it back on. So I put it on the wrong way round, which is a bit annoying. I'd forgotten to put some of these items on the back of the feet, so obviously I needed to attach them before attaching this to the base. But otherwise this model is absolutely fantastic. Just find the detail is phenomenal on the Tallneck itself. And even the very basic red eye watcher model is actually pretty good in the context of the entire diorama. Very, very happy with this. But I won't be taking it off the base, it's a little bit fragile. It does move. Can move its legs slightly. But as you can see, it's pretty difficult, especially when you're holding a camera. If you like this video, then please like it, and of course if you subscribe you'll get some notifications when I do the next video. It might be Lego, I do have a major Lego set to build, or it might be computer game related. If you're interested in either, then please subscribe.